One of India's top priorities in this decade is becoming a global hub for semiconductors. They play a crucial role in powering diverse sectors from electronics to cars to military weapons, and their significance grew multifold, especially during the pandemic, which impacted global supply chains. The Modi government is keen that India emerges as a trusted partner for the semiconductor industry and wants India to be a chip maker and supplier for the world. Today, India has moved a big step forward towards that goal. Prime Minister Modi has laid the foundation stone for 3 crucial semiconductor facilities in India worth nearly 1.25 lakh crore rupees. One in Dholera in Gujarat, one in Sanand in Gujarat and one in Assam. The government wants Dholera to be the future home of India's first semicon city. The new industrial city being developed is bigger than the size of Singapore. 2 of the 3 plants is being set up by the Tata Group, the first one of which is in Dholera. A total of over 91,000 crore rupees is being invested for this. This is India's first commercial semiconductor fabrication plant, a long-standing ambition of New Delhi. It's being done by the Tata Group and Taiwan's PSMC. And India's first ever semiconductor chip, which will come from this plant, will be ready to roll out by the end of 2026. This will be the beginning of India's actual acceleration in the manufacturing and chip space. According to PSMC, since semiconductors are an expensive business, it takes more effort to set up the first fab. Once that's done, it's easier to set up more. The central and state governments are together subsidizing about 70% of the project cost as per estimates. PSMC will provide Tata with the fab. The plant will first start manufacturing 28nm chips, which will cater to India's supply chain needs, and in the future will start making 22nm chips, which are more high-end. PSMC will train Indian engineers in Taiwan on fabs and help with technology transfer. While several companies wanted to get this support for tech transfer,
accelerating the timeline. Typically a fab takes 4 years. Our goal is to produce the chip in calendar year 26, hopefully in the later part of the year, but it will be in the calendar year 26. So we've got a very aggressive timeline.
PSMC decided on Tata since they felt it's the best choice due to its financing, prestige and the size of the company. This fab facility in Dholera will have a manufacturing capacity of up to 50,000 wafers per month. Besides high-performance compute chips, it will make power management chips for EVs, chips for telecom, defense, electronics and others. Besides this plant, Tata and Test Private Limited are setting up a chip assembly and testing unit in Assam. These chips will be made with made-in-India technology and be used for automobiles. CG Power and Japanese firm Renesas will be setting up a plant in Sanand in Gujarat, which will be able to produce 15 million chips per day.
हमने 2 साल पहले सेमीकंडक्टर मिशन शुरू करते हुए इनिशिएटिव लेने की घोषणा की। इसके कुछ ही महीनों में हमारे पहले एमओयू साइन हो गए और आज सिर्फ कुछ महीनों के भीतर हम 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स का शिलान्यास कर रहे हैं। इंडिया कमिट्स, इंडिया डिलीवर्स एंड डेमोक्रेसी डिलीवर्स। आने वाले समय में हम सेमीकंडक्टर सेक्टर से जुड़े प्रोडक्ट्स का कॉमर्शियल प्रोडक्शन करेंगे। वो दिन दूर नहीं जब भारत इसमें भी एक ग्लोबल पावर बनेगा।